Ever wondered why Ethereum, Solana, and XRP are on a downward spiral? Today we'll delve into the factors contributing to the decline of these three giants in the crypto market. Let's start with Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Ethereum's value has seen a substantial decrease recently. This decline can be attributed to a multitude of factors. Firstly, the rise of alternative blockchain platforms that offer lower transaction fees and faster processing times has given Ethereum a run for its money. Secondly, concerns about the platform's scalability have been a long-standing issue. Despite the much-anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which promises to address these issues, investors remain skeptical. Lastly, the broader market downturn has also played a significant role, with investors moving their assets to safer havens amidst economic instability. Moving on to Solana, a high-performance cryptocurrency that has been dubbed as the Ethereum killer. Despite its promising technology, Solana has also been hit hard. One of the major reasons is the network's outage in September last year, which raised questions about its reliability. Furthermore, Solana's success is closely tied to the overall bullish sentiment in the crypto market. With the recent bearish trend, investors are becoming more risk-averse, leading to a decrease in Solana's value. Lastly, let's talk about XRP, the cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs. XRP's decline can be largely attributed to the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This legal battle has created uncertainty around the future of XRP, causing many investors to lose faith and subsequently its value to drop. In conclusion, while the world of cryptocurrencies is filled with promises of high returns, it's also fraught with volatility and unpredictability. The decline in the value of Ethereum, Solana, and XRP is a testament to this reality. Each coin has its unique challenges. Ethereum with its scalability issues, Solana with its network reliability, and XRP with its legal troubles. Coupled with the broader market downturn, these factors have led to their recent decrease in value. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies requires a good understanding of the market and a high tolerance for risk. It's always wise to do your research and stay updated with the latest trends. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrencies.